Hello, this is a quick tutorial on how to establish an account with Noodletools for the first time. The very best way to do that is through the library portal. There are other ways, of course. However, Google has changed some of their parameters, so for now the best way is to go through the library portal. And as you can see, this is where we're starting. So we are going to scroll down to the bottom left hand side to the Noodletools button. I'm going to select that. And I have two accounts with Google right now. You most likely have one, or one school one. I'm going to establish a new one through this one that's called Library Attendance. I'm going to select that, and I'm going to say Create Account. And I am going to say that I am a student, and I'm going to create my account. And I'm going to select my year of graduation. So I'm going to say 2022 and save profile. And I automatically am now established as having an account within Noodletools. And that is it.